everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is There's a Card Thursday, and I want to show you how to use up some scraps of designer series paper. This is just one of the cards. I'm going to be showing you two cards from the how to use a 6x6 designer series paper stack. First of all, I'm using the new In Color designer series paper, and it comes in a pack of 6x6. Let's bring this up. Okay, and this is Misty Moonlight. Yeah, Misty Moonlight. And what I'm going to be using for this card is I'm going to be using the Comfort and Hope stamp set, and I'm going to be using Memento Black. Plus, I am going to be using some scraps of designer series paper. These are 3/4 inches by 4 inches. And so I'm going to be using those. And how you get those is usually you cut your designer series paper, your 6x6, you're going to cut it like in at 4, and you're going to get a 2x6, and we're going to be using that next week. And then you're going to be cutting it at 1/4, okay? And this gives you the 4 by 3/4, and then this gives you the 4 by 5 1/4. So this gives you one of those. But if you're cutting a lot like I did for a make and take, you're going to get quite a few of them. Okay, so you're going to need the Whisper White note card. You're going to need 4 of these 3 1/4 by 4 inch strips. And I'm just going to use 2. And really, it's fairly easy. You're just going to, and I'm going to use some Bumblebee, scrap of Bumblebee. I've already cut those. And where are my glue dots? Oh, here they are. Now, all I'm going to do is I am just going to lay these, and again, you can lay them as a stair step. You can lay them back and forth. You can lay them however you would like. But I just am going to lay these differently on here. And then I'm just going to take my glue dots and I'm going to glue them on. And so I'm going to glue that one. We're going to put that home. That one has writing on. What we do, share what we love. Do what we love, share what we do. And then I'm just going to put this one on. And I'm just going to move this over just a little bit. And then I'm going to put this one on. And let's put that over just a little bit. And then we're going to put this one back over. And you see, you can put them on any way you really want. Definitely going to have to put that over there. And then I'm just going to take, I've already cut this out with the Timeless Label Punch, and I'm going to take the Sending You a Paper Hug from the Comfort and Hope stamp set. Just going to be putting that on there, taking some Stamping Dimensionals, putting that just like that. Cute, easy, and you get to use some of these then. You get to use some of those scraps, those tons of scraps you have laying all around after you make a lot of cards. So you don't need to throw them out. You've got them right there. Please follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to make this is down below. I really would appreciate it if you shop with me, if you like my videos, so I can continue making them. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.